Transform video content with AI, exploring Rask's Video Editing API. 91% of businesses use video as a marketing tool. 61% of consumers look forward to watching videos while selecting a brand. As the demand for video content grows exponentially, so does the need for innovation and cost saving in its creation. In this article, we'll discuss how AI-powered video editing API is used for dynamic content creation now. You'll discover the opportunities of the Rask AI video editing API, explore free video editing API options, and learn about video editing software with API capabilities. How does AI work in video production? AI has transformed the world of video production. It helps creators automate tasks, boosts their imagination, and provides opportunities. To create videos, two pillars play a crucial role: machine learning, ML, and computer vision. Machine learning. This is the brain of AI. It helps algorithms to recognize patterns and improve performance without programming. In video production, ML automates video editing, identifies scenes, and suggests soundtracks. With AI support, video editor API tools and video edit API solutions can streamline workflow and increase video quality. Computer vision. Computer vision makes machines interpret visual data. This technology finds utility in facial recognition, object tracking, and scene detection. AI editing API and video effects API optimize render efficiency and reshape the scene editing process. AI's evolution has progressed from rudimentary tools to advanced systems that auto-generate videos in seconds, apply visual effects, and raise overall production value. How AI helps in short video content creation. AI brings advancements for social media producers. AI editing tools and API create templates, automate processes, and offer resources to create videos. These edit video API solutions feature low-code/no-code usability with drag-and-drop editing interfaces. Diverse capabilities. AI creates videos from text and images without shooting, generates automatic subtitles and transcripts, and brings video editing options in multiple languages. Free AI animation generator from text tools are now widely available. Enterprise features. Many AI video generation tools and APIs offer enterprise features including video embeds, integrations, AI 3D avatars, and audio synthesis for business workflows. User-friendly interfaces. AI Video Editor API and API Video Editor solutions create user-friendly interfaces, making it easier to work with audio and visual elements. What are the benefits of using AI in video creation? Improving efficiency. AI-powered video editing API tools automate various aspects of the creative process, including content optimization, freeing up time for content strategy and distribution. Video editing AI API solutions accelerate workflow significantly. Boosting personalization. Cloud-based AI video editing API analyzes user data to generate personalized content and templates for developers to create complex videos. Cloud video editing API enables scalable content creation. Maintaining consistency. AI Cloud API automates editing processes, ensuring consistent content across different programming languages and regions. Video editing API free tools help maintain brand consistency. Multilingual approach. AI video editing API generates captions in multiple languages, facilitating global audience reach with simultaneous multilingual translation support. Cost effectiveness. Technology brings budget-friendly options for creators. Free video editing API solutions allow creators to edit videos cost-effectively while boosting audio mixing, captions creation, and animation production. How AI limits video editing capabilities. Despite its strengths, AI video editing API and AI video editing APIs have limitations. Reliance on preceding data. AI's ability may be limited by outdated data, leading to repetitive content. Insufficiency in providing insight-based solutions cannot replace human collaborative efforts and brainstorming. Excessive dependence on automation can create lack of diversity in final products. Issues in understanding emotions. Video editing software with API lacks depth to capture intended tone or sentiment. Best practices of using AI in video creation. Rask AI. Rask AI Video Editing API is designed for video localization and dubbing. It utilizes AI technologies like text-to-voice and voice cloning to generate natural-sounding voiceovers. Users can quickly localize and translate videos into multiple languages, breaking language barriers. Other leading tools. DID and Runway offer AI video editor API tools used by millions of creators with features that transform photos into video presenters and provide motion design options. Major brands like McDonald's and Coca-Cola utilize AI video editing API in their advertising campaigns, demonstrating the potential for unique video content creation. Which AI software is convenient for video editing tasks? 1. Rask API. Video editing API is a bridge between software applications for better communication. Rask API enables developers to automate video creation, analysis, management, editing, and delivery using programming languages. This video edit API solution stands out as a comprehensive platform. Rask API's main features: voice clone. Rask Video Editing API duplicates the speaker's voice from an original video for voiceover in translated video, available in 28 languages. Multi-speakers. Supports translation with multiple voices depending on speakers in the video. Uploading SRT. Edit Video API with Upload SRT option for more accuracy in dubbing and video editing. How much does the Rask API cost? Monthly business plan, $560 per month, includes 500 minutes. Yearly business plan, $500 per month, includes 500 minutes. Enterprise plan, contact sales team. 2. Adobe Premiere Pro. Cloud AI video editing API features speed up transcription, audio mixing, color correction, and workflow improvement with smart auto features. This professional video editing software with API capabilities offers advanced functionality. 3. Kapwing. Free AI video editor API provides automatic subtitles, transitions, watermark removal, voiceover generation, and text-based video editing features. As a video editing API-free solution, it's accessible to creators with limited budgets. How does Rask Video API work? Rask Video Editing API offers 2 scenarios. Upload original video. Users upload video clips and download translated versions. Rask Video Editing API automatically translates the video. Upload with SRT. Users upload original video with verified transcription in SRT format for more accurate translation and better quality voiceovers. To start using Rask Video Editing Cloud API, create an account and choose a pricing plan. Visit rask.ai/API for enterprise plans. Why is the Rask API the best choice? Rask API video editing is the best choice for several reasons. Easy integration into services with simple RESTful interface. First API in AI, dubbing field with unique technology. Direct API key generation from Rask account. Flexibility to automate workflow and use minutes across different platforms. Cost-effective plans for various needs and budgets. Final thoughts. The evolution of AI-powered video editing API has significantly impacted the video editing industry. AI-based video editing APIs offer benefits including pipeline optimization, content research, and data analysis. Rask Video Editing API is the best AI video editor API for creators seeking advanced video editing features to enhance quality and productivity. As the first ever video editing API used in AI dubbing in 2025, it opens opportunities to reach global audiences and save costs. FAQ. What is a video editing API? A video editing API is a tool for developers that acts as a bridge, allowing different software applications to communicate with video editing capabilities. Many video APIs also include analytics about videos and live streams. How do AI video editing tools help? Users can access AI video editing API tools to automate video production tasks. The Rask API video editor saves time while translating videos, enhances productivity, and helps users create engaging content more efficiently.